grocery. So our PM announced a couple of more days. So start my cars, let them run. Yeah, next one. Can't go out, can't drive my cars. Just have to be with them. Just love the burble of the V12. Right. Can't wait to get a badge like this for this guy here. Right. Have I sat in the rear seats since I got it? I think I haven't. Now the interesting thing with this car, even though it has a very tight rear seat, it's actually very snug and comfortable back here. And you can even choose the aircon whether to come from here or from underneath the front seats. So yeah, it's pretty comfortable at the back here. Tight but comfy. Tight but comfy. Well appointed, I would say. Oh, can't wait to drive this car more. See, look at these magnetic handles. When would I have a chance? Oh, lovely. Door handles are here. Yep. Right, let them run for a bit. Guess that's it. O'clock in the afternoon. It's time for grocery run again. Alright. Today, I'm not going to the one that's near my place because there's a lot of things that we couldn't get. I'm heading to Aeon, Mid-Valley. I heard from a lot of people that Aeon is very good, well stocked with stuffs. So I'll head to Aeon. If you come to Aeon, remember to bring a 50 cent. Thank you. Oh, my favorite. Oh, the problem with guys, we don't know what to buy, so we buy everything. We buy everything. Shopping's done. Men are useless when it comes to shopping because I think my wife could have done it in like an hour, and it took me what, 3 hours? Hopeless. You have anything to tell me?
No.
You say I bought for you,
Yes.
so you should say
Yes.
no. Why you didn't say thank you to Daddy?
We go, Daddy.
Are you gonna kiss me?
Soy el fuego que